Thanks for watching today. I'm going to show you how to program your Tesla to your garage door opener. So as you can see, you know, Tesla's got a nice big screen here.
Right on.
Go up to the upper left corner, press that little house, garage door, HomeLink settings. You got to do it kind of quick. So it's going to come down here, add new HomeLink. It says garage door not programmed. So enter name, so we're going to enter garage door 1 or garage 1. It's pretty basic. Create HomeLink. Before we begin, here's what you'll need to do, and it gives you a little description here to have your remote control and be parked outside of your garage. So let's start. So it's searching for a signal right now. Stand in front of the Tesla and point the remote at it. Take up 30 seconds. The lights will flash on the car, so let's do this. Pointing it at the Tesla symbol. Pressing and holding the remote. Light on the vehicle, dimmed on and off. So we're going to let go. Let's go back to the car. So it says recording complete. Tap continue to move to the next step. Now we need to go back into the garage and locate the Smart Learn button. So let's go into the garage. We need to take our remote and open it so we can get in there. Alright folks, so now we're in the garage. We're at the garage door opener. It told us to locate the Learn Smart button, and typically everything's labeled. So on this particular machine, it's right down here, Learn code. So let's press it like it tells us. LED light starts flashing. Now let's go back to the car. So once we do that, we want to continue. It's thinking, it says training right now. It may take up to a minute. Training complete. Tap continue to move to the next step. Alright, now your HomeLink's all programmed, so we want to save this. Garage 1 up there in the corner, and it will close the door. Press our garage up here, this little house button. Press the button for garage 1. And there it goes, it's opening.
Nice job.
Press garage 1. If you keep continuing to press it, it will stop it. You can lower it back down, stop it again, and raise it back open.
Roger that.
So that's it, guys. That's how you program your Tesla. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.